Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Jenny Flores Daraog. I am 31 years old and I'm married and I have one daughter. She is 6 years old. My work experience is I worked in the Philippines for 2 years as domestic helper and I work here in Hong Kong just for 2 months. My skill is I know how to cook simple Chinese food like fry, steamed pork, cooked vegetables, steamed chicken, fish, and I know how to clean the house, iron, all if I can. And I prepared for work alone, and I prepared to taking care of newborn babies and a child 1 to 3 years old and adults, and that's all. Thank you.